Okay, I just want to take a moment and give you a couple of scenarios here and leave you with a good mindset, especially about forward-facing sonar. Now, you've seen where we've talked a lot about forward-facing sonar, particularly in the last 2 years, where we use a sonar to track down individual fish, and we try to trigger those fish to bite. It's a way in which you can catch big fish. Then you have the other scenario, which we have here today. We're fishing this basin area. There's not a lot of suspended fish. They're almost all tight to the bottom, and the ones that are tight to the bottom are tight enough that they all look about the same size. But the bottom line is there's so many fish that in that situation, I give up on the individual stuff. I try to go along with my trolling motor until I get right into the a big bunch of them, okay? And then I'll put anchor lock down. And then myself and the partners that I have in the boat, we will fan cast completely around the boat until we've picked off every active fish that wants to bite. In many cases, these basin fish aren't real active. They're not gonna hammer it every single cast. So you have to go by a fair number of them to get one to actually react to your bait. So it's really kind of cool. Two different ways, entirely different ways to use your forward-facing sonar. And at times, each one becomes the best thing to try to use.